How to create PayPal account in Canada. I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to do it. Just go to Google and then type in PayPal Canada and then hit enter. When it comes, just go to the official site of PayPal. This is how it looks like. As you can see from the home page, you can see sign up for free. Just click on it, okay? Then you have two options, either to open it for a personal purpose or to open it for a business wise, okay? So when you look at the personal account over here, I think the only difference between having a personal PayPal account and then the business one is that for the personal one, it is mostly used for shopping, but for the business one, you use it to receive payment. So if you are into business, you can use the business PayPal account to receive payment, okay? So that is the only difference. For the personal one, it is for shopping, and then it is for just sending money and then making payment. But for the business one, you can use it to receive money, cash, okay? So we are going to first look at how to create a business PayPal account, okay? Just click on it. When you click on it, they are going to check your security, okay? So just check the box and then select what you are supposed to select, and then over here you can chat live with them, PayPal, and they are going to ask you to enter the email address. Note that the email address you enter is your PayPal account, okay? Then you are then going to be asked to put in a strong password, okay? Make sure to use a strong password so that nobody can hack your account, okay? Then you click on submit. The next thing that you have to do is to tell them about your business. So the first thing is the business contact. You are then going to enter the first name of the business contact. Okay, if it is you, just use your name and then the last name as well. After that, then we have the business details as well. Just tell them the legal business name, okay? Then the next thing that you are going to tell them is the business phone number. Just put it there, use the correct details because they are going to verify it. Then the business address, just put it there. Then the city and then the province or the region. So just look through wherever you are in Canada, it is stated in it. Just look through and then select one, okay? The next thing I have to do is to put in the postal code, and then you have to just check the box. Make sure that you have read their terms and conditions very carefully before checking the box. So after reading the terms and conditions, the next thing that you have to do is to just click on agree and then create account. But let's say you want a personal PayPal account, just click on sign up for free, a personal PayPal account, okay? And then over here, they are just going to ask you to just select the country that you are in. As we are creating it from Canada, you just select Canada, then you click get started. So when you click on it, they are then going to ask you to input your telephone number here. That is the cell number that you are using. Just put it there and then make sure it belongs to you. It is your own personal number. They are typing it here. Then you click on next, okay? So after that, they are then going to ask you to set up your profile. That is the information they need. It has to be accurate, okay? The first thing is email address. That is your PayPal email address. Then your first name, last name, and then password. Then you click on next. After that, they are going to send you a verification code, which you are going to put it here. And then the next thing is your home address, okay? So you select your nationality. It does not necessarily have to be a Canadian, okay? So just state where you were born. I was born in Ghana, so I'm going to select Ghana. And then you just select your date of birth and then the address too. The next thing that you have to do is to just put in your postal code and then the city. And all that you have to do is check the box to agree, and then you can simply click on agree and then create account, okay? So it is as easy as ABC. Just a click and then the account is created. The next thing is to just browse through your account. As you can see, for a personal one, you can use it to shop and then send money, but for the business, as we said, you can use it to receive payment. Okay? And the most important thing is to link your card to your PayPal account, okay, your debit card. So over here, all you have to do is just enter your debit card number, then you select the type of debit card, okay? So when you go through, you can select any of them, and then the next thing is to just put in the expiring date, and then you give them the security code, the number that you use to withdraw money, okay? Just give them the security code. It is safe to put it there. Then you select the mailing address, then you click on link card. Or if you want to link a bank instead, you can just click on link a bank, go through and see if your bank is in. If your bank is not in, just click on search for other banks and then link a card. Okay, so that is how we have successfully created our personal PayPal account with ease. Okay, so you can send money anytime that you want, and it is so convenient being on paper. Okay, and then it is also very secure as well. So thank you for watching this video. I just want you to like it and then see you in my next video.